Let's start. Best of luck.
The professor insisted that every student the assignment on time. A submits B, submit C, submitted. Maria decided to the meeting because several members were absent. A, call off B, call on C. Call up. The committee divided in its opinion about the policy. A was B, were C, R. The research paper was praised its originality. A for B with C by The manager suggested that the report revised before submission. A, BB is C was rarely such innovative ideas in student projects. A, we see B. Do we see C? We saw. She is highly skilled handling complex negotiations. A and B on C at Ahmed could not the noise while studying at home. A put up with B put off C put out. Not until the teacher arrived the class began. A did B had C was the staff planning a new training program this month. A is B, our C were. Sophia promised to the project after reviewing the feedback. A, carry out B, carry on. C, carry off. The principal recommended that every teacher flexible in their approach. A is B, BC was. The audience impressed by the speaker's clarity. A was B, were C, R. He is confident achieving his academic goals. A of B about C for. The director demanded that the employees punctual every day. A are B, B, C were hardly the exam start when the power went out. A had B has C did. She is responsible organizing the annual conference. A for B to C with. Daniel had to his trip due to urgent work. A put off B, put up C. Put in. Only after careful review the proposal approved. A was B, did C, has. The family planning a reunion this weekend. A is B, are C, were. Aisha decided to a new hobby during her holidays. A, take up B, take off C, take out. Never before such a challenging task assigned to interns. A was B, has C, had. The tutor advised that the student more practice exercises. A do B, does C did. The team discussing strategies for the upcoming competition. A is B, are C were. He is known as dedication to research. A for B, by C with.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments.